The Shengmilo S900 electric bike combines high-performance engineering with rugged versatility, making it a powerful choice for both off-road adventures and high-speed urban rides. At its core is a robust 1,500-watt brushless motor capable of reaching speeds up to 65 km per hour, with a simple speed lock feature for controlled riding. Delivering an impressive 150 Nm of torque, this motor excels in acceleration, hill climbing, and long-range cruising, easily tackling steep 45-degree inclines. With an IP64 waterproof rating, it remains dependable in rain and challenging terrain, ensuring consistent performance in all conditions. Power comes from a 60V 30Ah lithium-ion battery using premium Samsung cells. This advanced 2,100 watt-hour pack enhances range, stability, and safety, delivering up to 60 to 70 km on pure throttle and over 90 km with pedal assist. Built for durability, it boasts a lifespan of over 1,500 charge cycles, maintaining at least 90% capacity after 8 months and 80% after 18 months, making it a reliable long-term investment. Riding comfort and control are maximized with a dual suspension setup, premium rear shock absorbers paired with a high-performance dual-crown front fork. This full suspension design smooths out rough trails, improves handling, and enhances rider safety across diverse terrains. Complementing this is a set of Solon hydraulic oil brakes that deliver precise, powerful stopping performance, ensuring confidence and stability even in demanding road or trail conditions. The Shimano TX55 7-speed rear derailleur system adds versatility, allowing you to shift smoothly between gears to match road conditions. Climb hills with ease using higher gears, or switch to lower gears for speed and efficiency on flat stretches. Paired with the pedal assist system, this gearing setup gives you full control over your riding style and effort level. Every component is crafted for strength and efficiency. The CNC one-piece molded aluminum alloy crankset ensures excellent power transfer while being lightweight, robust, and durable. The aluminum alloy shoulder fork offers exceptional strength without adding unnecessary weight, improving maneuverability and maintaining stability in demanding riding scenarios. With its combination of raw power, long-range capability, advanced suspension, responsive braking, and quality components, the Shengmilo S900 delivers a riding experience that's both thrilling and dependable, built to conquer steep climbs, rough trails, and fast-paced roads with equal confidence.